Hi, welcome to Expanse Tension Theory, just update number 3. I know there have been a few videos since, and I thought I'd do it from outside since the wind has finally stopped, and apologies for those who watched the very first video in the orchard. I know it was a bit windy, so I thought I'd come outside. It's funny, it's nice to think, why do this? Why try and search for an answer for things? And actually, when you come outside and you see how beautiful the world is, and you look around and you think, we need to understand it better. You know, humans, we need to understand it. So what's happened since the last update, number 2, which was probably a few weeks ago now? I think there's been a lot of progress. I think the biggest thing is the Hubble Tension. And there's both a video and a document published that applies Expanse Tension Theory to the Hubble Tension. So the way I look at it like this, there were 9 probes analysed. I independently looked at each one. Now, if there was an error in something, let's just think about what happened with the Hubble tension. All 9 probes moved. So the Expanse Tension Theory impacted all 9 probe result. But it impacted every single one in the right direction. Okay, so that's a 50-50 chance. You know, if there was an error, it could have moved one of them the wrong way and it would be over. But it didn't. It moved them all in the right direction. That's one thing. It then moved all 9 probes in the right direction by the right amount. Okay. Now that's a thing, isn't it? I mean, if there's a problem with the maths somewhere, the maths doesn't do that, I don't think. So this is me as kind of engineer logic rather than mathematician scientist. So the Hubble tension was a big piece of work, and it took a long time. At the moment, I'm working on a quantum field theory integration piece of work. It's huge. It's making sure that Expanse Tension Theory meets all of the rules, all of the standards, everything. Things I'm learning as I'm going through it, which is a challenge. So I wish I wasn't doing that alone, I'll be honest. So far, all of the tests proposed are working. I'm within the rules of what the quantum field theory book says it's supposed to do. So I'm working through it again. There'll be a document. It's going to be quite a big document, and I'll upload it. And I think what that does is allow anybody in the world to download Expanse Tension Theory or general Expanse Tension Theory with this particular document. It's about frozen parameters. It's about the quantum field theory integration rules. And it would allow anybody to reproduce what I've been doing with the same set of rules and the Langrerian equations, etc., etc. The solving science is fun. I'm enjoying it. I open up a New Scientist article or any article in the news and try and solve it. Now again, everything I've tried, there's one I'm going to have a post on something fairly soon. What was it? It was giant black hole 12.8 billion years ago. It's too big, it's giving off too much luminous glow, and again my initial results say yeah, Expanse Tension Theory can address that. It's funny, it says it was a 12.8 billion year old galaxy that was created 900 million years after the Big Bang. Now that's funny because if I use my Hubble constant value of expansion rate of the universe, Expanse Tension Theory posits that the universe is 13.3 billion years old, not as the early time astronomers think it's about 13.7, which actually makes this particular supermassive black hole even more unusual than the report suggests, but I'll get into that. And okay, the YouTube channel is going quite well. My documents are there uploaded, and still trying. But it's nice to come out and remind myself, why am I doing this? What is the universe? What is science? What is physics? What is cosmology and astronomy? What is it all about? Why are we doing it? Well, it's to explain this.